Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Broos believes South Africa will no longer fly under the radar at the upcoming African Cup of Nations, warning that his side will face motivated opposition eager to claim their scalp. Following their remarkable bronze medal finish at the last AFCON in Cote d'Ivoire, the nation's first podium appearance since 2000, South Africa have re-emerged as a continental powerhouse. Their subsequent qualification for the 2026 FIFA World Cup has only cemented that reputation. Broos, who masterminded Bafana Bafana's resurgence, admits the next tournament will present a very different challenge and stated that I can say already now that the next AFCON will be totally different to those 2 years ago because everybody knows South Africa now. When we went to AFCON last time, many people were asking, what are they going to do there with those players? But we did it. The Belgian tactician noted that Bafana Bafana's past underdog status worked in their favor, a luxury they won't have this time. He said at the last tournament, some teams underestimated us. That won't happen again. From the first game, our opponents will be 150% motivated because they want to beat South Africa. We have to be ready for that and we will prepare ourselves accordingly. Despite the heightened expectations, Broos remained grounded about the unpredictability of football and said it was a great experience 2 years ago and I want the same thing or even more this time. But football is football. You can play very well and still lose. Sometimes you're just not in your best form at the right moment. Still, Broos is confident that South Africa are on an upward trajectory both in Africa and on the global stage, and said if we take another step forward and then go to the World Cup, I believe it won't be long before South Africa is at the top of African football. This nation was ignored for too long. No one respected this team. But that has changed now. With momentum on their side and belief restored, Bafana Bafana are no longer the surprise package. They are now the team to beat, and Broos knows it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.